Where's all my soul sisters? Let me hear our flow, sisters.
Hey sister, go, sister, soul, sister, flow, sister. Hey sister, go, sister, soul, sister, flow, sister.
Hey, my mama lied, going home Moulin Rouge. She riding a staff on the street. She said, hello, Rachel, you wanna give it a go? We gone true with the money and the garden bed. Let me know we bought the cake straight out the gate. We independent woman, time you stick up for her. I'ma say what's been mine when I can spend yours. Disagree, what I'm showing, I'm sorry. I'ma keep playing these skits out like it's not a war. You should get lost from a new for bad as shit from the Moulin Rouge.
Hey sister, go, sisters, better hit the dough, sisters.
We drink wine with diamonds in the glass, but the case the meaning of expensive stuff. You wanna get you, yeah, yeah. Mocha chocolate, real lady marmalade. One more time, marmalade. Lady marmalade, marmalade.
Hey, 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 that's your first gift, it is in this mood. Oh, gotta look out, freeway. Alright, made the stars beside roll till it cries. More. Now it's back home, doing 9 to 5. Sleeping a grave and alive. But when it turns asleep, memories scream.
More.
Kitchi, kitchi, ay, ay, mocha chocolate, ay, ay, Creole di marmalade.
Ho sempre pensato che l'orientamento sessuale non è un'etichetta da porre come un sigillo, ma piuttosto un'esperienza fluida, in continua evoluzione. È noto che il signor Benedict Bridgerton, spirito libero, pennello ribelle, anima contemplativa, stia tracciando un sentiero tutto suo, al di là delle rigide linee e del convenzionale. Con coraggio dimostra che l'identità sessuale non deve essere costretta in uno spazio ristretto e definito, ma può fiorire in modi imprevedibili. Che sia scandalo o semplicemente verità non ancora capita, solo la storia e questa attenta cronista potrà dirlo.